bumblebee. Yeah. There's a spider. No. 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 Nope. Here is the spider. And here's the crab. And then here's the grasshopper. Where's the worm? Is that a worm? Okay. Yeah.
Bethany, were you teaching him? Thank you. That's such a good girl. Hi, Joss. Cheese.
I did not let him go down the stairs at all.
Oh.
I let him play with me. And did you hear laughing up here?
I did.
There's laughing.
Oh, good.